The love story behind Valentine's Day. Lupercalia, ancient Roman roots. Valentine's Day, a day for love and romance, has a surprising and darker history from ancient Rome. It started with a festival called Lupercalia, held from February 13th to 15th. During this festival, men would sacrifice a goat and a dog, then whip women with the hides of the animals. They believed this would help women become more fertile. As a result, young women would line up to be whipped. Saint Valentine, a martyr's legacy. The name Valentine comes from two men named Valentine. They were executed on February 14th during the 3rd century by Emperor Claudius II. The Catholic Church later honored their martyrdom with a feast day. As the celebration spread in Europe, it changed. In the 5th century, Pope Gelasius I mixed Lupercalia with St. Valentine's Day to make it more Christian. Although the wild celebrations were toned down, themes of love and fertility remained. From cards to commercialization. Poets like Geoffrey Chaucer and William Shakespeare helped turn Valentine's Day into a day for romantic love. This transformation occurred during the Middle Ages. This led to the tradition of giving handmade cards to express feelings. When the holiday reached America, the Industrial Revolution allowed for mass-produced greeting cards. Hallmark started making Valentine's cards in 1913, turning it into a big commercial event. Today, Valentine's Day is a major occasion for buying gifts like flowers and chocolates. However, some people feel that the holiday has become too focused on spending money. They believe this shift has overshadowed its original meanings. Sociologist Helen Fisher points out that many feel pressure to celebrate. This pressure can manifest in romantic gestures or in treating themselves if they are single.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.